Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ateraverse 2024. It's great to have you here. We've prepared an exciting agenda for the next 2 days. Let me ask you a question. What's on everybody's mind these days? There's two things that we're seeing that are very popular. One is AI, and the other is cybersecurity. And what their impact is going to be on us as IT professionals, on our teams, and our customers. So we've prepared sessions on AI-powered IT, AI, and cybersecurity, both for AI and in general cybersecurity. We're going to hear from industry leaders and top experts. We're going to have presentations, fireside chats, and actual workshops, hands-on, so you can get a feel of the technology. I want to take a second and say a special thank you to our top sponsors, Microsoft, Bitdefender, and ThreatDown. Let's dive right in. Let's look at the AI industry and the forecasts for its development. Both McKinsey and PwC are forecasting an additional economic output by 2030 of $13 trillion. That's an astonishing number. We know that AI is driving cars, reading MRIs, finding diseases, that it's changed healthcare, education, and creative work. We know that AI has changed how we work, how our customers and users work, and what experiences they have with it. But this is also where we stop for a minute and ask ourselves, is this another bubble? So for those of us that have seen bubbles, the dot-com being the most famous, we know that at this point, we're going to see startups and companies coming out with dot-com this and dot-com that, or AI this and AI that. But the companies that are really going to succeed, that are going to thrive, are those that have deep technologies, that have real solutions for their users, that have real value. And this is actually a point where I want to tell you all a story that happened a long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Had to do that. That when I founded Atera together with my co-founder Oshri in 2012, the two of us immediately understood that AI is going to be a core part of the platform. And within a couple of years from founding the company, we started working on AI. We had teams working on solutions, architecture, data, workflows, UI and UX. Actually, our first patents are from 2017. We've been working on it very hard. The real breakthrough actually happened at late 2020 when Microsoft came to us and said, we want to give you early access to OpenAI, to Azure OpenAI. This is before ChatGPT became public. And we started working with it, but everything was ready and it just fit in. And something remarkable happened. We actually created a companion for IT professionals, one that has IQ. We know that it's intelligent. We know that it has EQ, that actually when you talk to it, it has emotions, it feels you. And we've added something new. Action capabilities, that it is able to do actions both to hardware and software in the real world. We've seen this reduce response times and resolution times dramatically. We're seeing 90% improvement in IT teams' efficiency, and on the other side of the ticket, users' problems. The architecture we built has two parts. It has an autopilot, which is an autonomous AI that understands problems and can autonomously fix them. It has boundaries. It can only do things that are 100% safe. But it actually means that you're not going to have to reset passwords anymore, fix printer problems, etc. And the Copilot, which knows to summarize the problem for you, run all kinds of tests and checks, works hand in hand together with the autopilot. So they work together, and then the co-pilot within Atera will offer suggestions and solutions. Many times the solution it will offer will be a button that you just need to press and it'll fix the problem. We call this new architecture Action AI. You all know generative AI, so this is a new architecture of Action AI. We also are seeing that you see the value. We've been talking to you, to our customers, and to the industry as a whole. We've been running surveys, and we're seeing that 80% of those surveyed are saying that AI is going to become an integral part of their day-to-day work. And more astonishing, we're seeing that 80% of those surveyed are saying that if tier one could be taken away by AI, that AI can do the tier one for them, and that's what autopilot does, it'll make them more satisfied at work and happier people. So we look at this and we actually asked ourselves, why aren't everybody yet fully tapping into it and into AI? And we've identified 3 areas. One is security and privacy, that there's concerns around that. The second is the infrastructure we have, whether or not it's too old to enjoy AI. And the third is the education gap. This is new technology. It's a whole new experience. We need to train our people, to train ourselves on how to work with it, what to do with it, etc. In these 2 days, we're going to give a lot of time and a lot of sessions for those issues. So you actually hit the ground running for this revolutionary time, because this is the time to get into AI. I want to take you back in time to think for a minute of how you started as IT people. When you took a computer and added memory and added a graphics card and got a game or 2, maybe Doom, you didn't buy it, and started playing. And actually for the next step of these 2 days, there's nobody better to take it from here than the person that changed gaming forever and is the father of Doom, John Romero. John, take it from here.